Your new vehicle only gets one day one. The question is how are you going to protect it? In this video, we'll help you understand what ceramic coating really is, how it works, and why it might be the perfect protection for your investment. Hi, I'm Tim Kennedy with Divergent Elite Detailing in McDonough, Georgia, where we specialize in elite level protection for your automotive investment. When protecting your new car, it's important to know which type of protection is right for you. So let's start with ceramic coating. What is it, what it isn't, and what makes it so effective? So what exactly is ceramic coating? A true ceramic coating is a liquid polymer that chemically bonds with your vehicle's clear coat, creating a semi-permanent protective layer that resists UV damage, chemical etching, and oxidation. Think of it this way. Wax is like lotion, and ceramic coating, it's like baby oil. Lotion sits on top of the surface, but baby oil absorbs deep into the skin and becomes one with it. That's exactly how ceramic coating bonds to your paint. It becomes part of it. What's the result? It's a slick, hydrophobic surface that makes washing your car effortless, and it locks in that new car look for years, which means no more waxing. Now, let's clear up a common misconception. Ceramic coatings are extremely durable, but they're not scratch-proof. What they do is dramatically reduce the risk of swirl marks, fading, and staining while making routine maintenance faster and safer for your paint. At Divergent, every ceramic coating starts with a deep cleansing process that removes embedded grime from the pores of your paint. We're going to seal the paint up, and we don't want to seal the contaminants in. Then we perform a single stage polish. What is that? It's a precision paint correction step that removes oxidation, enhances the color, and it eliminates 40 to 70% of fine imperfections. Once the surface is perfected, we apply G-Technics Crystal Serum Ultra. This is the highest performing ceramic coating on the market. Divergent Elite Detailing is the only authorized Crystal Serum Ultra installation studio in our area, which makes your vehicle receive a certified high-end application backed by G-Technics 9-year guarantee. The coating is then allowed to cure for 12 hours. What it's doing is chemically bonding to your paint for a barrier that guards against UV rays, acid rain, bug splatter, bird droppings, and environmental fallout. If you love that deep, glossy finish and want protection that works as hard as you do, then ceramic coating may be your best choice. If you want to explore other options, then let's look and see if ceramic coating, paint protection film, or a combination of both best fits your needs. Schedule your personalized protection consultation today and start your ultimate defense with Divergent Elite Detailing. What's our motto? It's equipping those who seek to be the hero of protecting the look and the functionality of their automotive investment. We look forward to serving you soon.